What's up? It's your LFA. Welcome to my channel. So I have the long-awaited length check video for you guys. Earlier this month I had a shoot. They needed to chop off my hair a little bit, so we are at another fresh start. But I finally have the keys to growing my hair really quickly and retaining that length, so I will continue to share those things in these upcoming videos, but I don't want to ramble too long on this one. Entonces, vamos a empezar. This is the length that it is currently at. I have my tape measure to give you guys exact measurements. This is probably the shortest my hair has ever been since high school, but I am going to embrace this length. Gives me something a little different to play with. So I had a shoot and they wanted to cut my hair a little bit, especially because I had the one piece that was a whole lot shorter than the rest of my hair, so they kind of wanted to even it out a little bit better. So I will start off with the back part of my hair, but I am going to get measurements of both sides for the back just because this side is growing a whole lot quicker than this side. Feeling like this is the stopping point. We've got exactly 14, it looks like. My finger is kind of covering it, but like pretty much exactly 14 inches. And on the right side, yeah, it's exactly the same spot. My finger's just kind of covering up again, but it just looks shorter. That's crazy to me. Why does it look shorter? So let's do I'm gonna do underneath my hair. I'm just gonna do one side because in the front of my hair, it feels like it's the same length. It's just the back of my hair that feels like it is a little shorter. This is 14 and a half. So the front, which I can tell is a little bit longer than the back, but not too much longer, which I love because I kind of wanted to grow out my layers a little bit. Although I know I still have some shorter layers in the front. And we'll just do this front part here. We're like at 11 and a quarter. This is where the hair length currently is. I'm going to enjoy it. And I do want to check in about 3 months to see how much length I've been able to retain. But hope you guys enjoyed this video, and until the next one, ciao.